everyone! So you know what's this? Can you guess? It's Sri Lankan Dhal Curry, which is also known as Parippu in Sri Lanka, flavorful and comforting lentil dish that pairs well with rice and roti. So here's a simple recipe how to make it. Let's make it. Let's take a look at the ingredients. The main ingredients we need is dal, also we call lentils, and then we need turmeric powder, red chili powder, fried curry powder, mustard seeds, and this is the mixture, the fried mixture of cinnamon, rumpe leaves, curry leaves and fenugreek seeds. Also we need curry leaves and rumpe leaves. Green chilies, garlic, red onions, cooking oil. Then the most important is we need ghee curry, which is the watery subsequent extract from coconut. And then finally we need miti curry, the thick milk extract from the coconut. Okay, now let's make the dal curry. Step 1. Wash the lentils. Rinse the red lentils until water runs clear, like this. Now let's cut the green chilies, red onions and garlic. So let's add spices with lentils. Red chili powder, a bit of turmeric powder, red onions, green chilies, garlic, curry leaves, rumpe leaves, cinnamon and a bit of fenugreek seeds. Then we have to add the kiri. The water is subsequent extract from coconut. Finally, salt to taste. Now let's cook the dal curry. We have to simmer it about 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, while the dal curry is cooking on medium heat, now we have to add the thick coconut milk. And again, we have to simmer it like 5 to 10 minutes. After making sure that all the flavors melt together and the dal curry is well cooked, now it's the time for the tempering. Now we can use a steel frying pan or a clay frying pan for the tempering. Add oil first. After heating the oil, first we have to add mustard seeds. Then we have to add the garlic cloves, onions, curry leaves, trumpet leaves, keep it like 3 minutes. Now after the mixture splutter and release the aroma and it's half fried, now we have to add the dal curry. For extra taste, we can add some fried curry powder. Enjoy your delicious homemade Sri Lankan Dhal Curry.